Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Madison. Today I'm doing a Brandy Melville clothing haul, and I didn't get too much stuff because if you guys didn't know, I am going into college, so I don't really want to wear a lot of tight clothing all the time, so I've been trying to find more comfortable clothing. But when it comes to Brandy Melville, I can't resist. They're really cute tanks and stuff, so I just had to pick up some things while I was in Santa Monica. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright, so I got a pretty big bag here, as you guys can see. First thing that I got is this super cute, I know, it's really hot, but it's a super cute pink sweater, and this is my favorite color ever. I don't know if you guys know this, but I already have a sweater similar to this. It's just different cut and a little bit lighter, but that has a lot of stains on it and I wanted to get a new one. The catch is this also has a stain on it. So you're telling me you bought a sweater that had stains on it because you wanted to replace your old sweater that had stains on it. Carry on, Madison. I'm done. Like a light white greenish like strip that goes all around the sweater, and I got a discount off of it, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy this. I really love this color. I can wear this around my dorm. It's fine. I don't really care about the stripe. This is the next top that I got. It is the famous honey logo, and I've always wanted the sweater, but then I saw this and I thought it was so cute. I love the way this fits me. I love the high neckline. I think it's super cute, especially with a really cute choker. Next, I got this rainbow tube top. This is different than their normal cotton tank tops. This one's a little shorter, it's really stretchy, and it kind of has like a band at the top, so it kind of just sits nicely right here, won't be falling or moving anywhere throughout the day. This is one of my favorite things I got from Brandy. It is this nice kind of boxy cut tee, and it is black, beige, and white stripes, and I just think it's so cute. It's cropped. I already know I'm going to be wearing this with jeans and some sneakers, Air Force One specifically. Next, I just got a plain white tank top. I like this because it's not like the normal tank tops that I have that are like this. It has a thicker strap, which I love. I just think it's really simple and you can use it for layering with like a flannel, and yeah, I just love it. Next, I got these corduroy pants. I've always wanted a pair of these. I so far have some plaid pants from Brandy, so adding this to the pant collection really made me happy. I obviously won't be wearing these anytime soon. I really like the way these fit. They're super snug around my hips and thighs, and then as it keeps going down, it just gets a little more loose, so it's very comfortable. Next, I got this plain pink tank, and I really like this because I like how it has like the detailing, like it's not just like straight across, and I think it's really cute, just like the white one, perfect for layering, and I just really liked this color. Although I own a lot of pink, I don't really have anything like this, so I'm super excited to wear it. So I have another sweater. I know, me and sweaters right now, I don't know why I'm buying them, but it is this heather gray, really nice, oversized sweater. I love the waffle-ish feeling on the outside with the V cut with all the buttons, and it's just so soft, and I don't know, I'm just like very excited for fall now. I just love Brandy sweaters. They're so nice and warm, and I wear them all the time. Next, I have this tank top. It's white, of course. Me with white is like another story. But this is what it looks like. I don't own anything like this. That's why I was so excited to buy it. So this is what it looks like. I love how you have this like frailing detail, I guess. I don't even know what that's called. And then there's just a really pretty purple flower in the middle of it. And it's super cute and dainty. I love the way that this looked with the corduroy pants. It just looks so cute. And like I said, it's just very dainty and cute. And I love the cut of it. It's just amazing. So the last thing I got from Brandy are these sweats. I'm sorry guys, I don't know why I keep buying things for fall, but sorry. But I really like these. They're super thick. I really like how it's tight at the ankles. That's something I really do like when it comes to sweats. I will wear them more towards like November, October if it does get cold. Probably not, knowing California. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And I will be moving into my dorm August 25th, my birthday. So if you guys want to see a vlog of my whole move-in experience, definitely let me know because I have been debating it for the last couple days. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!